Let's know how we can use these arrays and access certain elements from them. So, how to access elements? Well, array elements are accessed using the indexer operator square brackets. Array indexer takes elements index as parameter in the range 0 to length -1. The first element has index 0 and the last element has index length -1. Array elements can be retrieved and changed by the indexer operator. Let's see an example how we can reverse the elements of an array. So I'm specifying let array 2 dots array from numbers, and after that with comma I can specify more like them. So I'm saying I would like to have array with numbers, then I have reverse variable which will be again numbers array, and here I'll keep my original one and here I'll keep the reversed one. After that I have length which is from type number, and I have I and j as numbers as well. Here I'm saying that my array is equal to new array where I specify the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then I initialize the reversed array, and for now I'm going to keep it empty. Then I'm making for loop, and inside this for loop I'm initializing two variables. The first one is I, which will be equal to 0, and the second one will be length, which will be equal to array.length. And I'm going to say execute this for loop until I is less than length. And inside the date statement, I'm going to say that I is post equal 1. Now, important thing is that usually in other languages like C#, for example, we're saying I post plus. And this working again here in the same way. But because of some reasons, if you say I plus equal 1, this will be actually faster option. Now, if you're coding on C#, this will be the faster option. But in JavaScript, I plus equal 1 is faster. So what I'm doing, I'm saying j equals len minus I minus 1. And after that, I'm saying reversed dot push array from j. So array from j, I'm going to access the element which is on j index. For example, it could be array from second. And this will bring me the element which stays at second index. So assuming they're from 0, starting from 0 index, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the last index. Here, array from 2 will give me 3 as value. And let me explain why the last element is at length -1. Well, because if we now take a look at how much elements we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements. But if you want to access array from 5th element, this will give you exception because actually it doesn't exist. And it doesn't exist because we start counting from 0. So this will be 0 index and this will be 4. So if you try to access 5, well, it doesn't exist. And that's why .length will return you how much elements you have, and then you need to subtract 1, which will return you 4. And 4 is actually our last element. Alright, so here actually I'm access the item which is on j index. And then how I can add it to this array? Well, I have to say reversed.push and this will just add it.